Hi guys, today I'm so tired, that's why I will tell a story, only a story for today, what I have done for today. First of all, I woke up at 10:30 a.m. I hope 10 or 10:30 a.m. It was late night, I have so. Then I wake up and I make myself prepared for I wanna as usual I went to university. That's why I make myself prepared for my university. Then I have taken my lunch. I only just take it to Shingara at morning, and then I went for my class, today's class. Then after completing my class, there was a problem. I faced a jam, and that was too bad for me, and I was late for 20 minutes for today, last day. And then I went for my university, and I was late for 15 minutes, and I did my classes. I did my class, and after completing my class at 2 p.m. I have taken my meal. That meal was not so good, not as was totally tasteless. It was taken from my university canteen. The food was not good enough because I have taken two on khichdi with two chicken fry, and they gave me some curry of beef. They gave me beef curry. That was not good. Just only for my completing my stomach, filled for my stomach. That's why I take that meal. That was totally a tasteless, one of the tasteless meal I have taken in my life. Then after completing, I wait for someone who will give me some money for, as my father told me to bring some money from him. My father used to father that man lent some money from my father, and my father gave it to me. That's why that man wanted to give that money today, but he didn't. He told me that he will give me the money after some days. And then I came to my auntie's house. After when I was coming, I brought some snacks for me and my aunt and auntie and uncle. There was 7 with on bread bread packet, and then I sleep at sleep, and I woke up. Okay, that's totally a good day for me. And after waking up, I went for walking, and I bought shoes of mine and my auntie's. The shoes was amazing, and I tried some dress for wedding ceremony. I forgot to mention that there was a wedding ceremony for today. The wedding ceremony was was my uncle's children. That uncle is not my father's brother. Is father's cousin brother, and uncle's children, or what should I say, uncle's boy. And I went. I will go. There was a wedding ceremony at Wednesday. I'm sorry, at Friday, next Friday, and I have to go. We have to go there. That's why we have make preparing. We are preparing ourselves for dressing up. Which dress we'll wear, which shoes we'll wear, and as for matching, we have choose lots of items. But I think I have selected my dress up, and I will definitely go there, inshallah, if I alive. Now I'm going to read something that which was there was a video on it, that the V model, the waterfall model, the incremental model, and what should I say, iterative model. the incremental what is the V model. So V model is kind of first of all we're going to say the waterfall model. Waterfall model is a model, as far as I can remember, it's the everyone knows about don't knows about the model, like developers and the developers and the client. Suppose suppose one client wanted to make a website of for the government. The website will only update some data which will never be changed, and there is no time limit for it. So here the client knows about the uh, pro, here the client knows about the website, how it will make, and the developer also know that. But there is a problem. The developer will not give any types of feedback in every steps. As we know, we in the waterfall model there are some steps which is called uh, which is called RDCTMD. R means requirements. So requirement is well known. 2 is design. 3 is testing. So here the testing part, only the testing is for the testing. Only the developer, only the client can get feedback from the developers, and then the development, then the so and the maintenance. So if the anything goes wrong, then there will be maintenance or resolved by the team. So if there is any wrong, so this model is so simple, which will never be changed, and everyone knows about the model or model what will be done. So there is no time limitation. So time it is the developer will give the or complete the product within time. In the V model, it is one of the good model, like that. Suppose you wanted to e-commerce website. So e-commerce website, where we have to there are so here the requirement is also well known. As we know, the requirements is known through the and the requirements will never be changed. Then the small scale and the short term model, it is called small and short term model, have close goals. So resources are available and trained. So technological tools are dynamic and installed are stable. So code requirements are not possible. Client only need to be involved at the starting and at the end for the feedback software, for the background software system requirement are not frequent feedback are not needed. So we have understood that we the client and the developer are familiar with the model, how they will include or not decide. It is a short term model. As we know, for the short term model is for short type of problems. So this model is very familiar, or is convenient, and the technological tools are dynamic, so instead are stable. The code reuse not possible. So for reusing the code, it's not possible at all. Besides, the client only need to get feedback at the starting and at the end. And in the coding sector, on the background sector system, frequent feedback is not needed. So regularly feedback does not need here. So for short-term project and tight deadline, this model is gonna be the best model for the waterfall model. So it is the waterfall model. So for V model, we know that V means V. There is a V. There is a part on a verification and validation. For verification, if the customer get verification in each step, it is just a parallel testing model. So it is an another sequential software developer process model. It is an extension of waterfall model due to providing a the testing is associated with every phase or life cycle. So here the testing is associated requirement. So there are some problems or advantage and disadvantage. So time solving. So here the time is there is no limit. If the timing is in good position, because the developer have to give the full software within time, so it is beneficial for the client. So there is a good understanding of project. So in the project there is a good understanding of project. So the developer and the client also know about this project. Okay, process can be taught easily, and proactive defective technique work parallelly. So no feedback track change, and so if there is a problem, there is no feedback change or not welcome. So risk analysis not done, not good for the object oriented project. So object oriented project, for the object oriented project is not good for it. Building the project in the right way is called verification, and building the project in right product is called validation. So it's called, I have told everything about the waterfall model and V model. That's it for me. I will tell you about the incremental and iterative models. Thank you so much. Goodbye.